Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make a slime. So the ingredients that I use are a bowl, a clear glue, baby shampoo, shaving foam, slime activator, something to mix. And lotion, okay? So let's get started. Take glue, pour the glue into the container. One more. So I clip it back. Then add baby shampoo. It's golden milk. I put it in the plastic bag. Then add lotion. This is lotion. Let's put in it. Oopsie, it's fall off. So I put it in. So I put 5 pumps of lotion. And I decided to put some color in it. Oops. Clean it up. Take it back. Oops. And I decided to put one more color. And mix it together. Nice. Then add some shaving foam. Shaving foam and shaving cream are the same thing. Just put it in. Oops, too much. You can put too much in it, but whatever you want or whatever you have. And then mix it together. And I decided to put more color. Come on. Because it's like a little bit white, so I put more color to make it have color and beautiful and colorful. Make it together. And the important ingredients is slime activator. Let's put it in. Oops. And mix it together to make it like slime. now our slime is complete. See? It's so soft, fluffy. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give the video a like, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe down here, the red one. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell. If you enjoyed it, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. So now our slime is complete. It's fluffy and soft. It's soft because you put lotions. It smells good because you put baby shampoo, and it's fluffy because you put shaving foam, so it's fluffy. I like the slime, but I don't like when it's sticky. So thank you for watching my video. So yeah, bye bye. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching.